Hi, Happy New Year. I'm Rosemary Ravenel, and I guess that you're looking at Zoom as good riddance for 2022. You may be already working back in your physical office space or doing flex schedules. However, I have a surprise for you. Video conferencing, Zoom, WebEx, whatever your platform of choice, will continue to be the centerpiece of your workday. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you will learn to enjoy Zooming in 2022. For starters, you don't have to Zoom. Video conferencing has been the sort of de facto way that we meet and get business done. But if you look at the mix of other tools that we have at our disposal, legacy tools like email and chat and regular conventional phone calls or teleconferences, you can mix it up so that video conferencing becomes something special. Second, new technologies allow us to work more efficiently in this space. Things such as live translation, closed captioning will allow us to be better understood no matter what language we speak. Third, there are new experts that are coming into the workforce that are looking at ways of making these experiences on video much more efficient and enjoyable, not only productive, but collaborative. In other words, to make the time you spend in front of the screen something much more valuable. These and more reasons are outlined in my blog, which is in the link near this video. So I encourage you to look at Zoom with a totally new mindset. It is part of the mix of the communication tools that you will use this year to make you more successful. And mind you, this is one of the skills that will become rather important on a resume. Knowing how to do video conferencing effectively will improve your chances of promotion, will advance your career, and improve your business. So get with it, step up. Also in the blog, I've offered you links to some of my recent articles about some techniques, equipment, and ways you need to step up to improve your Zoom score in 2022. Thanks for watching.